what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's XRP, aka Ripple, analysis video. Believe it or not, guys, this is my second attempt at the Ripple video because as soon as I finished my first one, price just took another sort of turn to the downside. The issue with that was that my entire analysis was very concentrated on the immediate time frames, but things sort of turned around, and I figured that analysis got very stale very fast. So I figured I'd do like a little I guess I can't call it an update. I just figured I'd start off fresh. So anyways, here we have XRP. Now, my initial video, I did have a bullish bias on the chart. Price did take a move to the downside. However, does that mean I changed my tune and I'm not bullish on XRP anymore and I'm now bearish with this small move to the downside? Absolutely not, okay? So now for those of you looking at XRP and you're looking to, well, trying to figure out, is this bullish here? You know, what's happening with price action? Where is this leaning towards? I'll say this. I want you guys to start focusing on the macro on all of the coins that you're looking at right now, because as things stand, I do believe that the entire crypto market right now is at this critical point wherein, if this is the cycle, okay, we're at this phase. We're at the reversal phase. Now, I do believe that Bitcoin has already sort of emerged out of its reversal phase. I do believe that we're getting into some sort of the initial point of the markup phase for the cycle. Okay. As far as the altcoins are concerned, some are in the markup phase of the cycle, some are just about beginning. Now, I do believe that XRP is still within this region right here, where we're trying to put in that reversal formation. Now, a good indicator of that is just look at price action, guys. We're putting in so far a series of higher lows on the chart and higher highs, okay? And this is the monthly time frame. So overarching view for XRP right now is still swinging a lot more bullish than it is swinging bearish, okay? Now, just right off the bat, just to give you guys a quick recap on what we found in our last XRP analysis was this. If you look at price action right here, this has technically put in a reversal formation, okay? For those of you who do not see it, this right here is a W-like formation or double bottom, whatever you want to call it. And I see the neckline right here, okay? So the neckline, I'm looking at this wick high right here. I usually like taking the wicks into account when I am, drawing in the necklines. So this neckline, for those of you who want to take note of it, comes in at around 51 cents on the dot. I'm using the Binance chart right now, okay? So if I have to go ahead and take the measured move of this beautiful double bottom-like formation as the reversal formation, I'm freaking skipping my words today, and I have to go ahead and plot the measured move on here. Where will this take XRP up to? This will take us up to 93 cents, okay? From where price is at right now, to 93 cents. That's a good 93% to the upside. I mean, look at the symmetry, right? But anywho, that is the neckline of the of that overarching pattern that we have found. But in addition to that, what I really like that is the fact that it also lined up with the monthly 21 exponential moving average, which is the yellow line that you see on my chart. Okay, so there was a lot lining up there, and what I especially like about the monthly picture, guys, is that previous month of March actually closed over the monthly 21 EMA. Okay, and yes, oftentimes you're going to see price action like this, where we dip into that monthly 21 EMA, okay, only for the month to close over the 21 EMA. Okay, only for the month to close over the neckline at around 51 cents. Now, of course, we have to wait before we get the tell on this play. Right now, we have to wait another 11 days before this month ends. Man, the month of April came to an end really fast. But so far, what I'm seeing is that price has dipped down to test a critical region of, well, resistance back then, now flipped into support on the monthly time frame, which comes in at around 48 cents, okay? I'm essentially looking at these candle body closes right here. You can see that price tried for 3 months in a row to try and claim 48 cents on the close and failed on every single attempt. Guys, each candle is a good 30 to 31 days. Okay, this is no joke. This was a huge struggle for the bulls. Alrighty, and they lost every single battle. So right now, what it seems like is that price has taken that out on the month of March, okay, flipped resistance into support, and now we're coming back down for a retest. Question is, can we hold here? If in the next 11 days, okay, that's all you gotta wait, 11 days, we close underneath 48 cents, only then will I be anticipating lower from XRP. But for now, I do believe this is looking more of a breakout of the reversal formation. Another thing alluding to this being the actual breakout is this volume node right here. We did see a push in volume. We did see buyers come in on this region to bid price up, okay? That's when you want to see a change in order flow. Okay, from selling pressure to buying pressure, you want to see the buying overcoming the selling. Okay, and when I see reversal formations, bullish reversal formations in the middle of a bear market, I want to see that push in volume. Okay, so I do believe we have that. Now, question is, can we actually hold 48 cents? As far as the monthly picture is concerned, guys, I think what would be a brilliant look for XRP's chart in the next 11 days is if we actually come down, we're grazing this level right here, but I want to see price once again close over that monthly 21 EMA level, which comes in at around, if you guys want to take note of it, 51 cents. If we can close over that, this is going to be a bloody bullish picture. But so far on the monthly, I'm saying that the bulls still have the edge here. Okay. Now, as far as the immediate timeframes of XRP is concerned, what can we expect getting into the rest of this week? What can we expect getting into the rest of today? Because as many of you guys know, we did see a pullback across the board, not just on XRP. Well, for this, I want to get on over to the Mango dashboard. Okay, so on the dashboard, so first off, guys, I was looking at the dashboard initially. I primarily focused on XRP because Sean caught something very interesting going on XRP's trend and volatility profile on the dashboard. He posted it on the Discord chat for everybody. So if you're not in the Discord chat, well, come on out. It's open to all for now. As soon as we get into, the remainder of the bull market, we might actually close it out. So this is your chance to join the Mango fam, okay? So you'll find a link in the description below. But anyways, he had posted something on the Discord chat on XRP. I'm like, man, this is looking super interesting. Perhaps I should cover XRP today. I had not intended on covering XRP because I promised you guys. I said, hey guys, if you chime in the comment section and tell me which altcoin you want me to cover, I will deliver in the next video. So I said, no, let me go and look at the comments. Let me go and see what people said. And I did look at the comments, and turns out majority vote was XRP. Okay, so if you guys want me to cover any of the altcoins that you're looking at, please take this time right now, pause the video, get into the comment section and tell me which coin you want me to cover. Okay, but with this anyways, getting into the Mango dashboard, because this is what really piqued my interest, was first off, I saw XRP on rank 3, which was not the case just yesterday. Okay, this was sitting, I don't know what rank it was on, it was just not on rank 3, that's all I remember. So now this is ranked based on trading volume, 24-hour trading volume. So you can see the 24-hour trading volume actually picked up on XRP, right? So anywho, I'm like, okay, this is a good picture so far. I'm looking at the trend, I'm looking at the volatility profile, and I also caught one of the flags on XRP. I'm like, this is looking spectacular, right? So I had a bullish bias getting into this. So now when I toggle on to the drop-down menu, I want you guys to take note of all of the trends across timeframes, from the 4-hour timeframe to the weekly timeframe. I want you to take note of the trends, but in addition to the trends, guys, I want you to take note of the volatility. I mean, we just went over the monthly timeframe, right? The bulls have the edge on the monthly time frame. In fact, the bulls have the edge on the weekly, 4-day, and 2-day as well. Okay, so those trends are still very much in bullish territory, and I am in agreement with that. All right, so I'm always going to lean to the side of the overarching trend, which is bullish right now. But now, question is, can we actually get better bid opportunities on the chart? Right, so for that, I want you guys to focus on the 4-hour and the 12-hour time frame. So far, guys, volatility looking super healthy, telling me that, hey, the bulls can pick this up and they can pick this up in a big way. Okay, so now 4-hour is currently neutral. Okay, so it was long before it flipped neutral with the current sort of move to the downside that we just saw. So this is neutral. We could see a better bid opportunity on the chart. So I want to go ahead and dissect the better bids. Now, also initially, I'd caught this potential bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Now, I want to go over that with you guys because I do believe that this bullish divergence has now gotten negated with the most recent move to the downside that we saw. Okay, so I'll tell you exactly what it is to look for on the divergence play. So with this picture in mind, let's get into the chart. Let's get into some of those lower time frames. Okay, so far, guys, as far as the bullish divergence is concerned, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my oscillators just to show you where the negation happened. I'm going to get rid of the Stokes. I want you guys to focus on the RSI because, well, the divergence is primarily hinged on the RSI. Okay, so this was the divergence play right here where price was putting in a series of higher lows on the chart, and the RSI was putting in a series of lower lows. Now, when I caught it, by the way, this daily candle was sitting on the orange line coming in at around 51 cents. Okay, but it's gotten negated as soon as price took out the lowest point of this candle right here, which came in on 17th of April. Okay, the lowest point came in at around 50 cents, and because price is now living underneath 50 cents, I'm saying that bullish divergence has now been negated. Okay, I will not be focusing on that. Now, question is this the better bid opportunity on the chart? Is this where price is at right now at 48 cents, which by the way is also our monthly level? Remember when we marked this out? Is this the better bid opportunity, or does XRP actually see lower prices? Well, I'm going to keep this fairly simple for you guys. Okay, do I think this is a good bid? I think so, yes. Why? Because I believe that any bid on here is going to be a very, very easy one to manage. Why is that? Because not only is this a monthly level, okay, if I just zoom out, usually when you mark out your macro regions of resistance and support, you'll find that it usually has cascading effects even getting onto your lower time frames. I want you to notice price action in this entire region. Okay, I'm currently in the daily time frame. This is a monthly level on the daily time frame, and you'll see how well prices respect this level. Every time we've broken it, swift move to the downside. Broken it right here, retest of the region, swift move to the downside. Broken it right here, retest of the region, swift move to the downside. Broke it right here, retest of the region, swift move to the downside. Broke it right here, tried to get a retest, got a front run on that retest, and then another move to the downside. Okay, so you're going to see that this has amazing playthrough even on the daily time frame. Even right here, we came down, wick below, held it as support on the close, and then off to the races. Okay, once again, broke it right here, retest, made our way down. So I'll be looking at how price actually closes relative to this 48-cent region on tomorrow's close to really get the tell in that, hey, does price come down further or not? Okay, keep this very, very, very simple. If we actually take out 48 cents, so if we actually break 48 cents to the downside on tomorrow's close, I will be looking for a retest and then move to the downside. Where to next as far as support is concerned? I'll be looking at 44 cents next stop. Okay, 44 cents next stop. There we go. Alright, but keep this very, very simple. This is a monthly level. This is a daily level. I bet you this is also a 12-hour level. Right? There you go. Broke the 12-hour, rally to the upside. How about if I just zoom out, look at price on this level, and yeah, pretty good follow through, guys. Same thing on the 12-hour. Jesus. Okay, look at this. Broke it right here, moved to the downside. Where to? 44 cents. Broke it right here, moved to the downside. Where to? 44 cents. Broke it right here, moved to the downside. We got to 44 cents, broke 44 cents, and then dump. Right? So look towards 48 cents as that region, okay? So and that's why I think it's going to be a good bid opportunity, because it's going to be that freaking easy to manage. Okay, oftentimes you'll get the retest of 48 cents if it does break. That way you know that you are invalidated on your trade very fast. But say you don't have all of these fancy tools and fancy techniques to your disposal and you don't know how to mark out 48 cents. Well, there's another way now where you can actually spot the better bid opportunities without having me by your side. And you can do that by looking at the Mango dashboard. Okay, so now I have, of course, a bunch of things. I'm going to refresh my chart right here, currently on XRP USDT. By the way, I should start from scratch. Let me take you on over to the dashboard. This is going to be the first page that you get onto, okay? If you click on the chart button next to XRP, it'll take you to the Mango charting feature. Okay, now this is where you can find the better bids, because now we have a brand new feature on here, which is the FVG feature, right? Fair value gaps. This essentially shows you these inefficient pockets in the market there, wherein a lot of liquidity is stuck in there. And when you see these inefficient pockets, they usually act as magnets, right? So oftentimes you'll actually see price get pulled right into them. Okay, so now, because we're bullish, I only care about the bullish FVG. Now, I showed you my entire thesis on the monthly time frame. I said, hey, double bottom leg formation. I do believe that this is a breakout. So I'm posturing bullish here because it's a reversal formation in addition to higher lows, higher highs. In fact, you know what? We can actually see it here. Swing lows and swing highs, weekly time frame. Let's get onto there. And there you go. Lower high, higher high, lower low, higher low. So you can see that ebb and flow in price action. Right? If you don't know how to spot this too, even this is available on the dashboard. Okay, just get on here and you can spot all of this for yourselves. So now once again, back on over to the daily time frame. Because we only care about, well, the bullish side of things, because that's where my biases are leaning towards right now, bullish bias on the chart. I only care about the long positions. And because I only care about the long positions, I only care about the bullish fair value gaps. Okay, and for that, I'm going to toggle on over to the fair value gap, put that on. And there you go. Now, these are those inefficient pockets in the market. And I know what you need to understand, guys, is this pocket right here was drawn in on this candle on March 30th. Okay, and ever since then, price has been getting pulled into it, pulled into it, pulled into it. If you got a breakout right here, all price was telling you is that, hey, you could get a better bid opportunity on the pocket. You don't need me to tell you that. You can just use this to tell you where those inefficient zones are. That way you can gun for better bids. Okay, so now this is a pocket right here, and what do you know? This is lining up at 48 cents, guys. Okay, there's so much cohesion on these levels. Okay, 48 cents fair value gap. How about is there any other zone right here? This is also a 2-day fair value gap. And guys, this changes based on the time frame that you're on. That way we cater to every trader out there, not just people trading the daily time frame or the 2-day time frame. How about the 4-day time frame? Where is it at in the 4-day time frame? What do you know, guys? The lowest point of this came in at around 47 cents. So it's all in that territory of 48 to 47 cents. So you can see that this was that zone of inefficiency in the market, right? And price is currently getting pulled right into it. Could we see another test of 47 cents? Perhaps. We'll have to wait and watch, but only when we break 47 cents, 48 cents. Remember, what we're looking at, I'm going to be focusing on how price closes along 48 cents. Okay, back on over to this chart. We close underneath 48 cents. I'm saying down we go, next stop 44 cents. Okay, keep it very, very, very simple. So far, my overarching view on XRP is bullish based on what the monthly is doing. Okay, we closed that in 11 days, not waiting too long. And even if you want to get a tell on where price could close relative to 48 cents in the next 11 days, honestly, just watch out for how price reacts off of 48 cents. A monthly level cascading on over to the 12-hour time frame, daily time frame. This all has relevance even on these time frames. Okay, so just watch out for that, and that will give you the better tell as to what price actually wants to do getting into the monthly close. Okay, now for those of you who have access to the dashboard, I really, really suggest that you use these FVGs to your advantage. Get greedy on those bids, because the dashboard now will tell you, hey, what side should you be leaning on, bullish or bearish? Okay, and as far as the pullback opportunities are concerned, let those FVGs guide you as to what is the next best bid opportunity to gun for. Okay, one that's going to be super easy to manage. Okay, that way they play hand in hand. But yeah, this is all I have for you on XRP. Now, if you guys enjoyed this analysis, make sure to smash that like button. And if you guys want more of the altcoins, well, subscribe to the channel, because I will be posting more on altcoins. And that way, every time I do come up with an altcoin update, you guys are notified. Alrighty, with this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.